afternoon and welcome back to the NSS Canada How-To Guide page. Today we are going to be going over the Leica Captivate software that could be found on your TS total station, your MS multi-stations, your CS20 data collector, and some of the new tablets that are coming out. So the first thing that we are going to do today is we're going to create a job. We're going to add a coordinate system and go through the units. So here is our Leica Captivate software. You will see we have our default job. We're just going to go over to the left and we're going to tap here to create new job. We're going to name this job, so I'm just going to call it the NSS Canada. Description, we could call this survey, and creator is going to be myself, so I'm just going to put in my name. If we wanted to, and we were using a CS20 or TS-MS multi-station total station, if we click here, we can take an image of our project site, and that'll be our job tile within the Captivate software. So we have our name of the job, description, the creator. It's going to be stored to the internal memory. We're just going to go over to the coordinate system tab and we're going to attach a coordinate system. So this is going to be used whether you have a mine grid or UTM grid. So we are going to be using UTM 17. And I just click OK. And here we are just going to store. So now this is our job ready to go. If we click here, you'll see we have view and edit job properties. View and edit data, import data, export data, but we'll be going through those in a later video. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to get into the units to make sure that we have the correct units. So we're going to click settings, we're going to go to system, regional, and here we are. So we have our meters selected right now, so we can't change it to feet, kilometers. I'm going to stick with meters. We're going to have 3 decimal places. We're going to change our chainage format to our standard northern easting elevation numbers. We have area in meters squared and volume in meters cubed. I prefer my COGO grade results and slope, surface grade, and long section grade in percentage. So here we can select either as a ratio, elevation angle, or a percentage. I prefer percentage as we do a lot of grades. Our angles, so this is 360 degrees, our angle decimal, horizontal angle display is north azimuth, and our vertical angle display is zenith angle. And for the last thing, we are going to get ready to pair our CS20 with a total station. So we're going to go to settings, connections, all other connections, and we're going to make sure our Bluetooth is on. So you see CS controller, we're going to hit edit. And we have the option to use cable, radio handle of the cable RS232. We want Bluetooth, and we just hit OK and OK, and we are all set.